picked up. I'm going to try to back it in the shop. I think what I'm going to do is come over here and push it off one way. I tried to move his truck. He didn't leave the keys in it, so if I hit his truck, it's probably pretty much his fault. But I'm going to try to push this back in, probably off one way or the other, so I can get to it. Just let it hang over about 1.5 feet, maybe 2 foot, so I can just get in there and work and back it out of the rain at least. So anyway, let's get everything unstrapped and pushed over. Well, I scratched that idea. And you see my problem here. If I pull it too far up, it catches right on that little lip there. So I'm going to drag it off the back, have room to work on it. Got my high lift jack, well, Frank's actually. He probably doesn't need to be watching this anyway. But I got it up above that lip. Now I'm going to pull it off the back enough to be able to work on that. But huge pain in the ass so far. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I got in my plan. So these are going to be the wheels. Okay, I think that's 6 5/8 OD. I'm going to weld these in like so, one on each side. A piece of this 1.5 inch cold roll I'll use kind of as a, I guess, axle. I will blow a hole here to run my axle through. The wheel will be underneath there. And I got some channel that I'll run from there to this brace here. I'm starting to think I didn't pull this trailer back far enough, but we will see. But anyway, this is the best way I could figure out how to be able to get underneath here and work. Like I said, I can't flip it upside down. That'd take a day to get all the crap out of it to do that. So I'm going to cut some channel to fit in there. I think that's where I'll start. Then get my measurements and figure out where exactly that wheel's going to go. But it's going to be kind of tucked up underneath there. I plan on having that wheel come down just an inch or two. I mean, it's not going to be way down here like I've seen some of the old trash dumpsters or scrap bins or whatever they're called, which I didn't want it sitting off the ground that high. I might be kicking myself later for doing it this way, but I don't know. I got 2 of these to do, so I figured I'll try it this way on this one and see how it works. And the biggest pain is going to be doing the front. I'm probably going to have to unload it, load it back up, and hang the front off like I am this one. But anyway, it's a good day to be doing this stuff inside here. I got Frank's heater. I need to turn it on, I guess. But we will get after it, see what happens. Right. There's one way to skin a cat. Cuts about as straight as Richard Simmons. I'm gonna use a torch. Screw it. Be faster anyway. Where's my glasses? Walked around a while ago looking for them, and they're on my head. this is one piece. Goes in here. Hang on. There's a hole for my cold roll to go through, and that piece I just showed you is going to go crossways right in there. I had to go through 2 pieces of steel there. It's kind of ugly, but it'll work. But let me get this steel welded up here and I'll show you the rest of it. I'm gonna weld these caps inside there. And that's gonna be hard to hold, so what I think I'm gonna do is set that up there, which will give me a little room. Put this on top of it. And get a few tack welds on the inside there, maybe hold it, then flip it around and weld it out. See how that works. As a wheel for my Connex, it could always be an ab wheel. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I need to work out. That's awesome. 2 low payments of $19.99 will get you one of these delivered to your house. You can also roll some sand, pack some sand while you're at it. You can work, get work done, and work out at the same time. That's awesome. Anyway, we got hold cut. I'm gonna try to hold this heavy thing up here and get it in. I don't know. The only deal is, I got so much slack. I don't know if I should weld washers on each side of that. Something just to keep that wheel from walking back and forth. Because after I weld this solid, I don't know. See if I can find some of Frank's washers and weld a couple washers on each side, keep it from the wheel from walking back and forth. Alright. I got it up there. I'll put some washers on each side. Keep it from going back and forth a little bit. But I don't know. See if that works. Now just 3 more sides and I'll be done.